Hello, Pupchik. This your Baba here. And today I am going to tell you Ukrainian proverb that originate actual in Canada because we are celebrating our 125 anniversary of settlement here. Okay, here we go. Put three focus banyak on my finger. Okay, yeah. Put three Ukrainian in room, and in 15 minutes you have either choir, dance troupe, or political committee. Baba say, give those same three people good salo on rye bread and some horilka, and you have all three. Okay, now Baba is she don't like new age, but she is big fan. Hey, cameraman, this my face here and it's kind of beautiful too. All right, so Baba is big fan of old age, and she want to show you picture. This is from BC Ukrainian Festival. Okay, you see, here is Baba, and she wants you to know, you see, you is never too old to dance. And in case you didn't know, of course you know about my big book here, Baba's Kitchen Ukrainian Soul Food, 190 recipe and wild story from Stalinist survivor, including my family. And but maybe you is new to concept of Baba's children's book, Rosie's Rescue. And this book is very interesting, is traditional book because it is about how Baba lived with her family, and she teach her 11-year-old granddaughter all about our cultural tradition, from Pisanke to how we care for animals, and how Baba spider she weave whole universes, all kinds Ukrainian lore in here, and adults love this book too. Is suitable for children 8 years old and up. Okay, so and Baba just want to tell you, don't you eat no wooden garbage roll, Pupchik.